Hello. Harmony Zone welcomes you gently here and now. Here you are seen, heard, and safe. Take a moment to settle in comfortably. Today, let us explore this simple truth together. I deserve gentleness. Yes, you deserve gentleness. You deserve kindness. You deserve tenderness. You deserve safety. And you can offer these gifts to yourself here and now. Breathe gently. Imagine your breath flowing through your heart. Breathing in through your heart and breathing out of your heart. Yes. Feel your body. Feel your breath. Each breath fills you with gentleness. Slow your breathing. Breathe softly and slowly. Each exhale releases what is no longer needed. You have the right to gentleness. Even on the days when you doubt yourself. Even when things feel imperfect. Even when life feels messy or difficult. You deserve gentleness. Repeat softly with me. I deserve gentleness. I choose myself with kindness. Here and now. I am safe. I am surrounded by tenderness. I allow myself to be cherished. I have the right to comfort. I have the right to gentleness. Now feel a warm and gentle light surrounding your shoulders and your neck. Imagine a comforting warmth in your chest. A gentle warmth flowing into your arms and your legs. Each breath reminds you of your worth and of your gentleness. You can return to this gentleness whenever you need it. Once again, breathe softly. I deserve gentleness. I allow myself to be cherished. I am safe with myself. I can choose gentleness for myself and for my body. Yes, you have the right to gentleness. you have the right to gentleness and love. When you feel ready, gently begin to return. Move your hands and feet softly. Stretch gently. Smile softly. Because you deserve gentleness. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. May you feel welcome in your own life. And remember, here in Harmony Zone, you can always return to gentleness that you deserve with tenderness and with love.